Start your weekend with a bang with the classic Denver omelet. Pillowy scrambled eggs are stuffed with smoked ham, melted cheddar cheese, sweet bell peppers, and onions. Ah, this is what breakfast dreams are made of. It tastes just like pizza, but in omelet form the dish is primarily savory, but you'll also get some sweet crunch from the bell peppers. Nothing beats the comfort that a classic ham and cheese omelet gives. The ham and cheese oozing inside of the omelet is just pure satisfaction. The added herbs in the eggs take it to the next level. This version, called tortilla, includes chopped brown onions and diced potatoes. Muy bien, indeed. It's like scrambled eggs meeting hash browns, and the resulting mash-up is beautiful. If you want a healthy approach to omelets, this recipe has your name on it. Spinach and feta join forces to make basic scrambled eggs exceptionally delicious. It makes omelets super healthy without sacrificing flavor. This Greek omelet is as bright and refreshing as can be with tomatoes, feta, and black olives. From the sweet tomatoes to the creamy feta to the salty olives, this omelet houses different flavors, but somehow, they all work together to create the perfect bite. Earthy mushrooms and sweet and chewy sun-dried tomatoes are tucked inside fluffy scrambled eggs. As a fan of the sweet and salty flavor, this omelet is my favorite. Besides the flavor combination, also can't get enough of the textures. All love how the filling gives the omelet different textural dimensions. The egg and spud mixture serves as a crispy outer crust that houses a variety of fillings, such as mushrooms, peppers, ham, cheese, and onions. In short, expect nothing but mouthwatering greatness. This omelette, which is actually more like a frittata, but who cares, is bursting with red peppers, spinach, cherry tomatoes, and cheddar cheese. It's too bad that bacon is high in cholesterol and calories, but when it comes to cheering you up, it won't disappoint. That's why this omelette is one of my go-to breakfast dishes when I'm not feeling 100%. Melty cheddar, or mozzarella, is the main feature of this omelette, but its other components also deserve the spotlight. Onions and bell peppers give it some sweetness and crunch, while chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala give it such bold, wonderful flavors. The melted, ooey-gooey cheese plus the sweet, salty, smoky, and crunchy bacon make this omelette earth-shatteringly delicious. Want to impress or just looking for a special breakfast dish for the family, this bacon lobster omelette will not disappoint. I mean, it's bacon and lobster, so how can it not taste ridiculously awesome? This omelette casserole is as scrumptious and filling as can be. Packed with bacon, breakfast sausage, ham, cheese, and onions, this omelette has it all. Kale is a great source of vitamins and nutrients, but let's be honest, no one wants to eat kale on its own. This kale and cheese omelette is for you. The combination of earthy cremini mushrooms, melted gruyere and bright spinach leaves make this omelette extra classy and delicious. This salty and smoky cold cut was put on this earth to make it a better place. This is a Chinese-inspired recipe that flavors the eggs with oyster sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, and Shaoxing cooking wine. Besides the shrimp, the omelette is also filled with red onion slices and scallions. Add chopped tomatoes, spinach, and mozzarella cheese to the mix and your omelette is complete. It's the perfect way to repurpose leftovers. You can transform the stale and dry bird from yesterday's dinner to this morning's delightful breakfast. Stuffed with black beans, crushed tortilla chips, and melted jack cheese, this omelette is a great way to start your Taco Tuesday. From the presentation to the flavor, this omelette gets an A+. Flavored with milk, paprika, and allspice, the scrambled eggs themselves are already pretty epic. Cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, artichoke hearts, feta, and mint and parsley for garnish. Teas stuffed with broccoli, but the melty Swiss cheese will easily mask that vegetal flavor. Trust me, the kids won't even notice the broccoli. Oh, it gets bonus points for being low-carb and low-calorie, too. This omelette is stuffed with smoked salmon, capers, and creme fraiche, and garnished with chives, to boot. To say it's over-the-top delicious is an understatement. These omelette recipes make the perfect meal any time of the day.